Hi, it's Rob Snow here from Rob Art's Patreon. I just wanted to pass by and send you a personal message to say thank you very much. Thank you for supporting my work, thank you for following me, thank you for contributing, and also thank you very much for the funding and financial support you're giving me. Regardless of what level you're at, it means the world to me that you're doing this for me, and it helps me carry on being creative as much as I can. Now, I hope the future brings more success, more products, more projects, and so forth. So I hope you stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy the ride with Rob Art.